Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu X1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing you will need to do is to open the favorites menu, and to do it, press the upper button right here. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and look for the settings icon, and after you find the settings icon, tap on it of course to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and look for the option called the system. It's going to be at the bottom. Once you find it, tap on it of course. Here look for the option called the reset, and once you find it of course tap on it. And in the reset menu we have a couple of options. As you can see, you have reset default settings, delete all activities, reset totals, and then finally delete data and reset settings. If you want to reset only the settings, you can select this option, reset default settings. It will keep your data like activities and stuff like that on your watch, but it will reset the settings to default, to factory default basically. But if you want to remove everything and reset the settings, so delete data and reset settings, select this option, and then it will remove the data settings. Basically it will restore the watch to the factory default completely. This one only resets the settings. Okay, I'm gonna select this option, so tap on it, tap on the check mark to confirm, and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.